Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom avatar in Pippit AI. Okay, first of all guys, you need to visit Pippit.ai and you're going to sign into this website to get free credits. You can use the credits to create custom avatar. Okay, once you go to the website, you can go to this menu, avatars and voices, and here you can create your own avatar and voices. But for voices, you need to subscribe to this AI to use the custom voices feature. But for the avatar, you can use your credits. Okay, you can choose the video to avatar or photo to avatar, and I'm going to choose photo to avatar. Okay, you can click on this plus icon to create new avatar. Then you can upload your photo here. I'm just going to pick a random photo from my device. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna use this photo. Alright. Oh, I couldn't upload. So let's change the photo. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, and click on done. And then click on this checkbox. Once it's uploaded, click on next. And click on submit. Okay, and you need to wait for about 30 minutes. And this is the avatar I just created with Pippit AI, guys. And if you want to use the avatar to create a video or to create a content, you just need to click on apply. Or actually, you can use the other avatars that have been available here, but I prefer to use my own avatar. And this is the avatar I created. Okay guys, and that's how we can use Pippit AI to create our own avatar for making content for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can go to my YouTube description and click the join link there. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and bye!